Hi, I'm Samara and here's a tutorial on how to do a horizontal cat eye. You'll want to make sure you can comfortably do an isolation. I'll link the tutorial I have on that move below. The horizontal cat eye move translates the hoop from side to side like this. So I'm going to start off showing you this move with my right hand holding the hoop. Hold the inside of the hoop, palm facing the sky, like this. Thumb to the right, palm is up. Isolate the hoop to your left, so now your thumb is pointing up. Once at this point, flip the hoop so your thumb points down. Let's go over that again. We have the isolation to the left, then the flip so your thumb is down. From this point, we will drag the hoop from your left to your right, and while you do this, let the hoop roll over the back side of your hand and catch the hoop, thumb pointing up. Here are those steps again. Isolate, flip, drag, roll. So, once your right arm is out to your side, thumb pointing up, isolate the hoop so the hand is at the bottom and drag the hoop back to the center. Then push the hoop to your left while you flip your hand so your thumb points down and you can easily repeat the move. Here's a slowed view of my hand. Add all these components together and that's the move. Practice adding some speed and creating a more fluid motion. Since you've tried it with your right hand, now try it with your left hand. We will learn how to get into the move the same way. Hold the inside of the hoop, thumb pointing to the left, palm facing the sky. Isolate the hoop to your right so your thumb points up. At this point, flip the hoop so your thumb points down to the ground. Here's that again a few times. Isolate to the right or in a clockwise direction. Flip the hoop so the hoop is to your right and your thumb is down. From this point, drag the hoop from your right to your left, and while you do this, let the hoop roll over the back side of your left hand and catch the hoop, thumb pointing up. Here's a slowed view. Isolate, flip, drag and roll, catch. From this position, drag the hoop back to the center and isolate the hoop so your thumb points to the right. You can easily start the move again by pushing the hoop back toward your right side and turning your wrist from thumb pointing up to thumb pointing down. Here's a view with my left hand doing this move. And that's it! Here's a variation of this move that I often use in my flow. I just allow the hoop to roll over the back side of my hand while I move my arm from one side to the other. Here's the same variation with my left hand. Okay, I will now show you 4 transitions for the horizontal cat eye. The first is a horizontal cat eye into an isolation. The next is a horizontal cat eye into this move. It is a forward weave through my legs as I pass the hoop from one hand to the next. Here's a transition facing the other way. A third move is a horizontal cat eye into a forward weave, whether it's on the side of your body or in front and behind your body. A fourth is a horizontal cat eye into an isolation into a chest roll. Any tutorials I have to the moves mentioned in this video will be linked below. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you all for watching. Bye!